that noise, sort of like a drumming noise, buzzing noise. It's still very much there. It's been looked at and stripped down and nothing has been found wrong with it, but it's still making this noise on a regular basis. It's very annoying. So when I open the door, it'll carry on for a few seconds, and then whatever's causing the noise will speed up and you won't be able to hear the noise again. And there's a full proper seal on this fridge freezer door, and it hasn't been opened for some hours. So if I now open it now, now that fan or motor, whatever it is, has increased in speed, and so you can't really hear that buzzing noise that was here previously. So close the freezer door and the fridge door. And it's back to being just a low hum noise, low humming noise, which is all a freezer should be, not a buzzing noise. So that's all that can be heard now. So we'd like something done about it, please. Thank you.